Hey traders, Jeff coming to you from Full Throttle Traders. As we know, tomorrow is the infamous FOMC meeting here at 2 o'clock for the rate decision. I'm going to show you a couple things on our next slide here in a moment that's going to show you do not get too ambitious about being long in the markets tomorrow, because we are all but certain there's going to be at least a quarter-point basis point. And I'm going to show you why that we very likely could have a negative connotation to this news tomorrow. Hang with me and I'll kind of give you some insight on that. All right, this is the CME Fed chart that kind of gives us what the percentage odds are of them cutting rates into what percentage. If you notice here, the current rate's around 4.25 to 4.5. So if they cut rates, it'll be between 4 and 4.25. That's a quarter basis points. They've had that baked in, 96.1% chance of them cutting rates. It's not so much that that is imminent that's going to happen. The fact is that that's been such a high 87-88% for most of the last 6-week barrier. You'll notice that 3.9% chance that they'll cut the rates 50%, but if you look back here, that's been diminishing. 1 week ago was 7%, 5% 1 day ago, 3.9% as of now, today. Now, what that means is that this has been such a high figure so long that a lot of the pricing in the market has gathered information, it's priced into the market. They could cut rates by a quarter point because the market's so extended. The market could have a tremendous fall tomorrow at FOMC meeting. It's going to be choppy, no doubt, but the overall direction could be pointing lower. Typically, the market moves in 3 directions on FOMC day. Typically, the first direction is the direction, down, up, and then down is the final direction. I would say there is a high probability, decent chance, above 50%, that the market will sell off into a quarter basis point move tomorrow. And you're asking, well, why is that the case? This isn't what they've been wanting. Yes, but you have to understand, prices already, with the percentage being high for so long, prices have already factored that money in to the market. So with the market being so high here in the last day, the last 8 days, we've created new highs every day. This is where the market can take an opportunity to be able to sell off, be able to kind of take some of those profits and put them in the bank, at least in the short term. So once again, be very careful as to the direction of the market. It's going to be choppy. I would recommend don't play any type of spreads tomorrow. Don't play any type of options tomorrow unless you're scalping very close, maybe at the money, out of the money options, but I would will not be that aggressive tomorrow. It's going to be an interesting day how it plays out. But again, I believe that the market will probably move lower on this news. See you next time.